Thank you very much. For gender balance, I have to speak. Okay. So Sri Amit Ghosh, the Additional Secretary for the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment of the Government of India, Sri Sachin Chaturvedi, the Director General of RIS, our very important, one of our many important partners, think tanks, and Dr. Arvind Kumar, of course, another important think tank partner, India Water Foundation, and my dear colleague Shambhi Sharp, UN Resident Coordinator of India. I just want to add a few words because I think Shambhi has well covered, the work of the UN and the perspectives of the UN in relation to this theme. But since SSWA, it's a regional commission of the UN covering Asia Pacific, just wanted to maybe emphasize a bit the importance of regional cooperation. Why is it important for this theme of water, energy, environment, nexus? So maybe three, I'll try. Okay, first is that it's commonsensical, but in the day-to-day lives, we kind of forget the transboundary nature of water. Water flows through all our countries, regardless of borders. The aquifers underground are all connected in the same ecosystem across countries. Rivers flow into oceans. So even, SDG 14, which is life below water, talking more of the marine resources, landlocked countries and those living inland may think, oh, that's not any of our business. But actually, it very much is. It's the pollution that flows into the marine, the plastic, the water contamination, and all kinds of this ecosystem disturbances we see in climate change. It's very much generated from inland as well. So this transboundary nature of it is really, really important, and that awareness that what happens upstream affects downstream and vice versa is really, really important. Therefore, this regional cooperation, it's actually global cooperation, but since it's SSWA, I'm just focusing on that. It's very important. Number two, water security, energy security is, two of the most sensitive security issues for any country, for that matter. Therefore, the legal frameworks, policies, they're very much kind of, nationally framed. And again, when you have transboundary, connections of water and energy, for that matter, that cooperation, the coherence of it. Sometimes these national policies and frameworks do clash, and so it's really important that harmonization or at least cooperation, coordination is done. Thereby, the importance of again cooperation at the regional level. And then thirdly is with the water scarcity. The demand, everybody has spoken, how demand for water rises and rises, progresses, population growth, industrialization, all kinds of demands on water, it really rises. And again, with the climate change, also we are seeing many, many areas of symptoms of depletion of water, scarcity of water, and this fuels conflict, and we have examples of that all over the world. So as a measure of conflict prevention as well, this cooperation is really, really important, almost existential. And at the regional level, there are examples of that cooperation, more structured, but there is a need for more of it as, again, there's more unpredictability in climate change and this issue of, how we manage together so that everybody at least has access and that there is no conflict through that. So I just wanted to add those 3 points, but really I'd like to thank, the India Water Foundations for this wonderful amazing mobilization capacity of, really bringing in so many partners and stakeholders. And, it's very evident that everybody has a role to play in, addressing and resolving the many problems of this very complex nexus around water, energy, and environment. Thank you very much.